Namaskar, I am Muhammad Akram from SWAMI Vivekananda Cultural Center, NUR-SULTAN, Kazakhstan. Today I am going to teach you one qaida which is arranged in Teen Tal. Teen Tal is a time cycle of 16 beats. So first I am going to show you the indices of Teen Tal, and after that I will teach you the qaida. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1. This is the time cycle of 16 beats. Now I am going to show you the bowls of tabla arranged in this 16 beats time cycle. Dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, tin, tin, ta, ta, dhin, dhin, dha, dha. So this is the time cycle of 16 beats, and the name of this time cycle is Teen Tal. There are 360 time cycles in our Indian music, as I told you before in previous lesson. Now today I am going to teach you qaida. This qaida we teach our students when they begin to learn tabla. Now look at the tabla and keep your fingers, as I told you before in previous lesson, 4 fingers, and bend your tiny finger and your ring finger like this and keep it here with this black circle. Middle finger up and start tapping with your index finger on chanting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now make a snake's head and keep your wrist here with this black circle on daya, siyahi. Now play 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, when we play right hand side drum and left hand side drum together, so it's become dha. I'm repeat it, dha. Dha. So we have to play dha 2 times. Dha, dha. I repeat, dha, dha. Dha, dha. Okay. Now join these 3 fingers, tiny finger, ring finger, and middle finger, and play T on siyahi, on daya. T. Now on the same place, play with your index fingertip. Re. Okay. Now I play it again. Ti, re. Now with your baya, join all fingers and play ki. Ki. Okay. I play it again. Ki. Now again 3 fingers on siyahi. Te. So it's ti, re, ti, te. Okay. Now we add dha dha with ti, re, ki, te. Dha dha. Ti, re, ti, te. I play it again. Dha, dha, ti, re, ti, te. Okay. I repeat it again. Dha, dha, ti, re, ti, te. Okay, now. Dha, dha, tu, na. You know how to play dha, dha. Dha, dha. Now, next word is tu, na. So, with the tip of your index finger, in sliding way on right side, from left to right. 2, 2. Okay. Now na on chanting. 2, na. Okay. Now dha, dha, tu, na. So the both of qaidas are dha, dha, ti, re, ki, te, dha, dha. tu, na. Ta, ta, ti, re, ki, te, dha, dha, tu, na. I show you how to play dha, dha, ti, re, ki, te, dha, dha, tu, na. Ta, ta, ti, re, ki, te, dha, dha, tu, na. In tabla composition, when we play composition, so there are two phases of every composition. First is bhari hui and second one is khali. So dha, dha, ti, re, ki, te, dha, dha, tu, na. Ta, ti, re, ki, te, dha, dha, tu, na. I recite it first and then I play it for you. Dha, dha, ti, re, ki, te, dha, dha, tu, na. Ta, ta, ti, re, ki, te, dha, dha, tu, na. Dha, dha, ti, re, ki, te, dha, dha, tu, na. Ta, ta, ti, re, ki, te, dha, dha, tu, na. Now I am going to show you how to play this. Dha, dha, ti, re, ki, te, dha, dha, tu, na. Ta, ta, ti, re, ki, te, dha, dha, tu, na. So we make 3 speeds in this qaida. Dha, dha, ti, re, ki, te, dha, dha, tu, na. Ta, ta, ti, re, ki, te, dha, dha, tu, na. This is a good. Now the good. Dha, dha, ti, re, ki, te, dha, dha, tu, na. Ta, ta, ti, re, ki, te, dha, dha, tu, na. Ta, ta, ti, re, ki, te, dha, dha, tu, na. Ta, ta, ti, re, ki, te, dha, dha, tu, na. Now the good. So this is our lesson for today. Qaida number 1 in 3 ta. The rules are dha, dha, ti, re, ki, te, dha, dha, tu, na. Ta, ta, ti, re, ki, te, dha, dha, tu, na. Keep practicing till I upload the next video. Hope you enjoy it. Namaskar.